In today's video, I'm giving you complete free access to an affiliate marketing course designed specifically for beginners, so you can finally start building your online business from scratch. And on top of that, I'm hooking you up with incredible free resources, including a step-by-step checklist, a lead magnet, a ready-made funnel, products to sell, and even a complete email campaign to get you started. Now, if you're new here, my name's Nathan Lucas, and I've earned over 1.2 million in affiliate marketing alone. And trust me, when I first started, it wasn't as simple as it is today. The tools, resources, strategies have now made it way easier to get started and scale fast. So if you're ready to learn the exact steps that took me from 0 to 6 figures and how you can do it even faster today without spending a dime, stick around. I'm breaking it down, the entire process for you, step by step, completely free. Let's get started.
All right, so the first thing in this video is I want to go over a breakdown of exactly how this is going to work. Before we dive in, there's one teeny tiny thing that I want to share with you, and that is every single thing that I'm about to share with you is completely free. Put your wallet away. You don't need it. I'm going to show you how to launch an affiliate marketing business from scratch for free. You do not have to pay for anything. That is the whole entire idea of this course that I'm providing with you, is so that you can start even if you have no money. I remember what it's like to start out. You don't have a lot of money to spend on your business. No worries. That's why I'm sharing this course with you right now, so you can start for free. So with that being said, let's go over the breakdown of how this is going to work, okay? The first thing is we're going to build out the system. And then from there, you're going to join affiliate programs that are completely free to join, that are high value, high converting, that can really make you a good amount of money. You're going to update your affiliate links to include the free resources that I give you. And then you need to learn how to drive traffic. And once you do that, you're going to start making money with this method absolutely free. Okay? That is what we're covering inside this video. Down in the description of this video, you're going to see the affiliate business launch checklist. This is going to be our working document for this entire course. So go down there, click that link, open it up. There's no opt-in. I'm not even asking you for an email. It's all free. Go grab it. And this is what we're going to follow for the rest of this course. Step 1 is you want to make a copy of the Google Sheet. So once you click that link and you see this, come up to File. You're going to click Make a Copy. Once you make a copy, then you're good. That's going to be your working document. So once you've done that, click this and check it off. Step 2 is you're going to create a System.io account. You'll simply click here. It's going to bring you to a page like this. You're going to enter your email address completely free and create your account. Once you've created your account, check that off, and we move on to step 3. Step 3 is to import the funnel that I've created for you. You simply need to be logged into System.io in the same browser, and then click here, and it's going to automatically import this funnel inside your account. Once you're done, check that off. Moving on to step 4. Step 4, you're going to import the done for you email sequence. This is going to allow you to follow up with people who opt into your lead magnet. You simply click here. It's going to automatically import into your account. You need to be signed in for this to happen. Once you're done with that, check it off the list. Step 5, you're going to create a Canva account by clicking right here. You will need Canva for this. Once you've created your Canva account, check that off the list. Step 6, you're going to import the ebook that is done for you into your Canva account. You're simply going to click here, import it into your Canva account. Once you've done that, check it off the list. Step 7, you're going to sign up as an affiliate to the 72-hour challenge and Funnel Freedom. So once you hover over this, you're going to see 2 links here. You're going to click this one, you're going to click this one, and it's going to look just like this. This is the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. And this is the Funnel Freedom, all right? When you sign up to these with your name, password, email, between the two, this one and this one, the email that you use to create these accounts as an affiliate need to be identical. You must use the same exact email for both of these. That way, when people start purchasing the 72-hour challenge, if they decide to grab this software and pay for it, you will get commissions as well. Once you've signed up as an affiliate, you're going to simply check that off the list. Okay, now we're going to start getting into the nitty-gritty of this. Step 8 is to edit your ebook with your affiliate link and then download it. All right, for step 8, what you want to do is log into your 72-hour challenge affiliate back office. Once you're logged in, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see this area right here with all of your affiliate links. What you want to do is make sure that the default affiliate link is selected, and you will know that by the check mark right here. Once you do that, this is going to be your affiliate link. All you have to do is click on the copy button, and then we're going to jump over to Canva. You're going to come over to Canva, and this is going to be your free ebook that you are delivering as a lead magnet. What you want to do is scroll all the way down. And by the way, feel free to edit this however you like. But right here, it says start the 72-hour challenge now. You're going to click this button. You're going to click this edit link. And then right here, this is where you want to put your affiliate link. Okay. Once you update this link, then you're going to come to the top right. You're going to click on the share button. And then from here, you're going to click on download. Once you click on download, you want to change this to PDF. So change this from PNG, come down here to PDF standard, click download. It's going to download to your computer. Once you've done that, come back to the checklist and check it off. Okay, we're moving on to step 9, and that is we need to edit the funnel with your affiliate link. And now we actually also need to deliver that ebook that you just created. All right, once you're logged into System.io, you want to go to the top and you're going to click on Sales Funnels. Now, you already imported this in here, so what you're going to see is the Affiliate Marketing Guide ebook. You're going to click on that, and now we're going to start editing this, okay? So just so you guys can see this page here, if I pop this open, this is your page now. This is what people are going to opt into. They're going to click this button. They're going to put their email in. You can collect their name if you want as well, but this is the start of the funnel. Come over here to Automation Rules and click on that. What we're going to do is click on Add a Rule, Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Click on that. And now we have the action here. On the right-hand side, there's 3 little dots, and you want to edit automation rule. From here, you want to select Add Action. And then what we want to do is subscribe to a campaign. So click on that. And then right here, we imported that campaign. So you're going to click this and select 72-hour challenge. Once you do that, then you want to click on Save Rule. The next thing that we want to do is edit the thank you page. So on the left-hand side, click on the thank you page. And on the right-hand side, click on Edit Page. All right, this is the page that you're going to see. What you want to do is make sure that you have this copied, your affiliate link, and you want to come back over here, select the button at the bottom, and then on the left-hand side, it's going to say Open URL. And what you want to do is simply paste your affiliate link right there, and you can choose to have it open in the same window or open in a new window. That's up to you. Once you do this, come over here and click Save Changes at the top right. Once you've done that, you're going to come back to your checklist for step 9 and check it off. Step 10, we're going to edit the emails with your affiliate link. Back into System.io, what you want to do at the top is go to Emails and select Campaigns. Now what you're going to see is the campaign that we imported called 72-Hour Challenge. You're going to click on that. And then this first one, we want to be able to deliver what you promised them, which is the affiliate guide. So click on the very first one. And here you have 2 different options. Right here, it says, click here to download your new ebook. And then what you want to do is hyperlink to your ebook, which you can save to your Google Drive. So this is one way to do it. You upload it to Google Drive, and then you can share it. Make sure that if you do it this way, that the file is shareable in public. Grab that link and you put it here. The other way to do this is instead of saying click here, you would say, I have attached the PDF. So that's another way to do it. And what you would do there is that file that you downloaded, instead of uploading it to Google Drive, you would come here and you would simply select Add Attachment. You would find it in this case, here it is, the Affiliate Marketing Guide. You would click Open, and boom, now you have attached it so they can gain access to the guide. Now, the next thing that you want to do is update your affiliate links throughout this email. So if I scroll down here, you're going to see right here, there's another spot where it says, here's Jonathan's 72-hour challenge. Again, you would make sure that you have this copied, which is your affiliate link. You'll come back here. You're going to highlight this. Okay. And then, of course, take out hyperlink to your 72-hour challenge checkout page. Oh, and in this case, you want to hyperlink to the checkout page. So it would say 72-hour challenge, and you actually want the checkout page. So the VSL checkout page, click on select, and then you want to copy this. This is because they already opted in. So you would click copy, come back over here, and while you have this highlighted, you want to click on the link button. That looks like this right here. And then come down here where you've done that, and you're going to paste it in there and hit the check mark. Now that you have that done, what you want to do is come back to your campaign, and every single one of these, you want to update your affiliate link. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the time of filming this course. Go into each one of these 5 emails and update your affiliate links. So that way, when someone clicks on it, you're going to get the credit for the sale. Once you've updated all your email links with your affiliate links, you want to check that off. And now step 11 is actually very important. Now, I told you everything in this video and in this course is free, and it is, because you can come over to System.io. You don't have to pay for a darn thing. However, if you are taking this serious, you want to launch a real business, I do recommend having a professional domain and a professional email. What you want to do is, if you actually want to follow through with that, which I highly recommend, come down here, click on this, watch that video, and that's going to teach you how to connect a domain and a professional email to your funnel that you created in System.io. Once you've done that, check this off. As you can see, there's only one step left, and that's step 12, which is to start getting traffic. So up until this point, your entire business is up, running, and ready to start earning commissions. All you have to do is now learn how to get traffic. And in order to do that, I have an amazing way that you can start doing this completely free. And you can start driving traffic to your funnel so you can start making money with your affiliate marketing business. If you want to learn exactly how to do that, I've created a video. Go watch it right here, and I show you exactly for free how to start driving traffic to your affiliate marketing business. This is Nathan, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.